सो हाउ आर यू ऑल। इंग्लिश सीख गया मैं। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग और कैसी है लॉकडाउन में आपकी बिजी लाइफ। लॉकडाउन में बिजी लाइफ क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं। Yes, you are facing it. You are facing a very busy life in these lockdown days, even busier than your casual days. Do you know why? It's actually because we all went to different grounds, our working grounds like playgrounds, schools, offices, etc. But in these days, everyone is on a single platform, which is these mobile phones, either on social media, on games, on online classes. Very rare part of them are on online classes like me, but they are very busy. From these very busy movements, I want some minutes, some means 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes, but I want 5 minutes with complete devotion, complete focus here, because I am going to express my views or express my sight in front of you. So please listen to it with complete focus, and not just to listen it. You do not have to just listen it and forget it after 5 minutes. You have to feel it. You have to imagine as if you are there and you are experiencing it. Then only you will recognize the feeling I am trying to share with you. So let's start. One more thing, I have just written it, so I have not remembered it yet, so I am going to read it. Let's start. We both left home at 18. You cleared Z, I got recommended. You got IIT, I got NDA. You persuaded a degree, I had the toughest training. Your day started at 7 and ended at 5, but mine started at 4 till 9, and some nights also included. You had your convocation training, I had my POP. Best company took you, and best package was awarded to you. But I was ordered to join my Pulton with 2 stars piped on my shoulders. You got a job, I got a way of life. Every eve, you got to see your family. I just wanted to see my parents soon. You celebrated festivals with lights and music. I celebrated with my comrade in bunkers. We both got married. Your wife got to see you every day. My wife just wished I was alive. You was sent to business trips, I was sent to the line of control. We both returned, both wives could not control their tears. You wiped her tears, but I could not. You hugged her, but I could not. Because I was lying in the coffin wrapped with the tricolor. My way of life ended, but yours still continued. Even today, I remember something, that we both left our home at 18. We both left our home at 18. So this was all. This was actually all I wanted to say. This was the main thing I wanted to say. And also, these are not only the feelings or views of me. These are not the views of Shivanshu Bajpayee. These are the views of each and every NDA aspirant. Every NDA aspirant. We know our future, that we are going to die one day. Not everyone is dying at the border. Everyone is not able to get the opportunity to die on border or in wars. But we know that many of us will die, and we want to die for our nation. So this was all, and please, and yes, one more very hard and fast request, that you just not have to listen it and feel it and then give respect to your defense officers for a minute and then forget about it at all. You have to do one more thing, a very important task for your nation. That is, you have to share it. Please share it. Do share it. Even if I am logged on your phone and you are listening it, however you are listening it, maybe through some way, then also please share it, because keep that hatred aside for some minute, because it is not a topic to get hatred. So please share it. Sharing it is not just a task for me or you. Sharing it is my aim. I have kept just to spread the views of each and every NDA aspirant, because even if we are knowing that we are going to die, then also we are on the same path, and we are still on the same path, because we are like that. And we all want to live for our nation, we all love our nation, means deeply love our nation, every one of us, NDA aspirants especially. I cannot say about you, but NDA aspirants especially. So, and even after that we know that we are going to die one day for our nation, even after that we shout with pride, that we are NDA aspirants, we are NDA aspirants, we have the pride to be NDA aspirants. So please spread it through any way. If you are watching this on my WhatsApp status, then just reply me on the status to send it to you, and I will send the video. Don't take any tension for that, but please share it, because my aim of spreading the views of any NDA aspirant will be achieved only when you all will support it, and you all will share it up to every extent that you can reach. चाचा से लेके चाची तक, भैया से लेके भाभी तक, एक तक पहुंच जाना चाहिए, बता रहा हूं मैं. Please share it and enjoy your life. And so concluding, I can conclude just by one line, that live for your nation, love your nation.